is a new movie trailer titled The Potato Love. And bro, I'm so excited. I'm so clueless. I think there's a lot of potato, something like that. Ooh. Bro, in the beginning, potato is life.
우리 연구소
I think their company is in the farm, potato production, I think.
만만하게 보지 마세요. 내가 불지옥이 뭔지 보여줄 테니까 둘 다 놀랍도록 내 운명의 감자. 와, 저 불려시.
A potato company goes since in the beginning they say potato is life, so I think their company is a potato production and become a lover, bro. That's crazy. And I think there's a lot of part of the movie is a comedy, because you know, in that trailer, even if it's too short,